Welcome to the course on Apache Spark Big Data Visualization Tool. In this course, you will master one of the most powerful and interactive notebook environment for data engineering, machine learning, and big data exploration. Why Apache Zeppelin? Apache Zeppelin allows you to combine code, visualization, and documentation in one place. Whether you are running a Spark job, querying data from Hive or MySQL, or exploring Kafka streams, Zeppelin makes it simple and visual. This course is structured for both beginners and experienced professionals. You will learn Zeppelin basics and UI, interpreter setup and configuration, integration with Spark, Hive, Kafka, and more, data ingestion, profiling, and visualization, ETL pipelines and machine learning workflows. Real-time projects includes telecom customer churn and log analytics, real-time analytics. We cover both Ubuntu and Windows environment. You will set up Apache Zeppelin locally and even run it via Docker. Every section is packed with hands-on walkthrough and real-world use cases. The course is divided into powerful sections like Introduction to Apache Zeppelin, Zeppelin Basics and Paragraph, Spark integration for RDD, data frame, SQL, and MLlib, data ingestion using HDFS, JDBC, MySQL, and file formats like CSV and Parquet, real time streaming with Kafka, integration with Hive and Python, Caption project with real business use cases. Learn by doing. Build a telecom customer churn prediction model, analyze Twitter data, and create a real time log analytics dashboard using Spark Streaming, Kafka, and Zeppelin. Built for every data engineer. Whether you are a data engineer, analyst, or developer, Zeppelin is a gateway to rapid prototyping and production grade insight. And this course gives you the skills to get there. So, if you are ready to master big data visualization, ETL pipelines, and real time analytics with Apache Zeppelin, let's begin the exciting journey. Click enroll and dive in. So, see you in the course.